we need to round the numbers below to the nearest whole number. So first we have 4.1. To round to the nearest whole number, we can circle the ones digit and underline the digit to the right, so underline our tenths digit. We have 1 in the tenths, and because if we have 4 or less we round down, 4.1 rounds to 4, because when we round down, the digit that we've circled stays the same. And we can show 4.1 on a number line. We can see that it's between the whole numbers 4 and 5, but because it's closer to 4, we round down to 4. Now we have 0.6, so we circle the ones digit and underline the digit to the right. We have a 6, and remember, if we have 5 or more, we round up, so 0.6 rounds to 1 whole. And we can see on a number line that 0.6 is between the whole numbers 0 and 1. So because each of these squares are tenths, we can see that 0.6 is closer to 1 than it is to 0, so it rounds to 1. Now we have 4.72. So we have 2 decimal places, we have 2 digits after the decimal point, but the hundredths digit doesn't make any difference when we're rounding to the nearest whole number. We do the same thing. So we find our ones digit and underline our tenths digit. Because we have 5 or more, because we have 7, we know that we're rounding up. So 4.72 rounds to 5. And we can see on a number line that 4.72 is closer to 5 than it is to 4. Remember, each square represents 1/10, so 4.72 is between 4.7 and 4.8. But because we're rounding to the nearest whole number, what we're looking at is how close it is to 5, and we can see it's closer to 5 than it is to 4. So the 2 in our hundredths doesn't make a difference when we round to the nearest whole number. Now we have 6.155. We've got 3 digits after the decimal point, but again, that doesn't matter. We just circle the whole number, so circle the ones digit, which is always the digit before the decimal point, and then we underline the tenths. We have a 1, so we're rounding down. That means the 6 stays the same, so 6.155 rounds to 6. And we can see 6.155 is between 6 and 7, but it's closer to 6. We can also see that 6.155 is between 6.1 and 6.2. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.